The flood level rim. 24. The height of a vent above a flat roof being used for sunbathing or observation. Deck is 7 feet. 25. A backwater valve can never be buried. 26. A backwater valve is mandatory on all new 1 or 2 family homes. 27. Only the master plumber or resident owner can pull a permit. 28. You cannot dump waste into the sewer. 29. BTU is the amount of heat required to raise 1 pound of water 1 degree. 31. When digging a trench next to a wall or footing, you have to dig at a 45-degree angle. 32. The liquid capacity for septic tanks